जनाब अशरफ इकबाल आपके सामने। देखें, ये एक साइंटिस्ट है जिसने कुक की यूनिफॉर्म पहनी हुई है। ही हैज़ टू डिज़ाइन नॉट अ डिश, but he has to design something else which could be as delicious as a dish. He need to find the diameter of the earth. So this is a scientist. He wants to create something, create new knowledge, and so this is our scientist. And this is मैं इंट्रोडक्शन करा रहा हूँ अपने कैरेक्टर्स के साथ. This is a merry go round, a sort of non-serious, take it easy type of carefree type of person, uh, who thinks, but who does not टिपिकल जो पढ़ने वाले बच्चे होते हैं ना कि बस पढ़ लो और याद कर लो. He thinks, he likes music, he likes new things, he likes challenge, intellectual challenge. He's a naughty boy. He is really a naughty boy. While this professor, this philosopher, this scientist is a serious person, and he is trying to find out something big, the diameter of the earth. Here we are going to cover some very limited aspects of the game that we are going to design, and we want to highlight some of the properties of the game design that we are going to use. Now, those techniques are not just mine. I have studied dozens of books on game design and on learning of mathematics and learning of science, and because of that accumulation of knowledge, on the basis of that, I can say with confidence that this approach might be one of the better approaches in order to address the basic fundamental problem. अच्छा, अब ये हमारे साइंटिस्ट ने तो कह दिया ना जी कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, फाइंड द डायमीटर ऑफ द अर्थ. अब ये केयरफ्री बॉय हमारा जो है, ये म्यूज़िक भी बजाता जा रहा है. द म्यूज़िक इज़ स्टिमुलेटिंग हिम, और साथ साथ ये कुछ सोचता भी जा रहा है. और हो सकता है ये सोच रहा हो कि बड़ा स्टूपिड सवाल है, मगर हो सकता है उसमें बड़ी गहराई हो. ही थिंक्स के डायमीटर निकालने से पहले, वाई हैव यू एज्यूम दैट द अर्थ इज़ राउंड और इट इज़ अ स्फीयर. तुमने कैसे एज्यूम कर लिया? इट कुड बी अदर वे राउंड ऑल्सो. इट कुड बी a cube, just like a cube. It could be a sphere, all right. It could be like this also. It could be even flat. So why this person, our scientist, is stuck with this feeling that the earth is always round? And why this objection is relevant? It's relevant because how come someone found out, or he found out, or they found out that the earth is round? कैसे पता चला था? That may give us a very important clue of how to find the size of the earth in terms of its diameter. If it is a sphere, if it is a cube, then what is the side length of it? If it is flat, then it's a different matter altogether. So we have to basically question the foundations of thinking. No assumptions at all. everything is going to be questioned. All right. Okay. Now, if we put a pencil on a sphere or on an earth, then it will cast a shadow. It will cast a shadow. It will cast a shadow whether it is on a round earth or whether it is a cubic earth. So I think कि शेडो का इससे कोई ताल्लुक ही नहीं होना चाहिए. How can we make the size of the shadow or the angle of the shadow so important, so crucial in finding the diameter of the earth? Well, with the basic assumption that it is a sphere, but it could be a cube, it could be flat, it could be anything else. All right. And then, yeah, of course, the position of the pencil on the earth at any time uh, not the position of well, the earth is rotating on its axis. अब ये बात भी क्वेश्चनेबल है, लेकिन अभी हम इसको क्वेश्चन नहीं करते, इसको बाद में क्वेश्चन करेंगे. और ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है, हाउ डू यू नो दैट द अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग ऑन इट्स एक्सिस? Oh, this is a horrible question. Why the earth is rotating around the sun and creating seasons, and why the earth is orbiting around its axis and creating day and night? How can we intuitively show this thing? I think a full game is needed for this. I may tell you how much misconception or misconceptions are there about this problem. So at different places, different times, the shadow length will be different, no doubt about it. But the shadow length will be dependent upon the placement of the pencil. Okay. अब हम उसको हॉरिजेंटली मूव करें, ऊपर नीचे मूव करें, लेफ्ट राइट मूव करें, शेडो की लेंथ तो चेंज होगी. तो ये चीज़ भी अब आपको देखनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ हाउ वी डिटर्मिन द शेडो, हाउ द प्रोफेसर डिटर्मिन्स द diameter of the earth with some pre-assumptions. What were those pre-assumptions? We have to dig them out using a game. Let them make mistakes. Let them be confused. Let them be disgruntled. Let them be surprised. Let them be shocked. And then we will make them reconcile. In pedagogical terms, we call it reconciliation. All right. And last slide, the shadow of the pencils, or the size of the shadow of the pencils, has nothing to do with the shape of the earth. Well, it may have something to do with the shape of the earth, but in case of a cube also, if the cube is rotating on its axis, then again the shape of the shadow will change. So open up your minds and do not make any assumptions. और ये खोदने की कोशिश करें जो आपने अपने दिमाग में assumptions बनाई हुई हैं, और गेम का मकसद ही ये है कि वो आपको वो शॉक ट्रीटमेंट दे, जिस शॉक ट्रीटमेंट से बाहर निकल कर आप मैंने तो यार ये सोचा हुआ था पहले से कि ऐसा होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता यार, ये तो मैंने गेम खेल के देखा है, ये तो कुछ और ही हो जाता है. दिस टाइप ऑफ अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ये ऐसे होता है, अब मुझे पता चला. एंड इफ इट इज़ अ गेम विच इज़ प्लेड बाय 2 people, then their discussion, their we call it think aloud. Oh, that will be so interesting and exciting when they are playing the game at the same time. They are thinking and they are negating and they are making new hypotheses, they are making new assumptions, and then they test those assumptions, and then they play the game, and then they reconcile. So, this is my philosophy of making a game. uh, well, how much competition will be there, I do not know, but it's going to be an immersive experience. And according to the MIT definition of games, if you are providing an immersive experience, an exciting experience where there is frustration, where there is surprise, where there is jubilation, where there is the aha moment, then it is as exciting as a game. Okay, Khuda Hafiz, Ashraf Iqbal.